do my bike check. Starting off from top to bottom. I got the ODI Barnes pink. Got some animal grips with the flanges cut off, as you can see. And I got some Federal bars, and I don't know what kind of stem. I got stock Diamondback headset, pretty good, 2 spacers. I got Diamondback stock forks with salt rim and tire. I got stock Diamondback frame with McNeil pedals. I got stock Diamondback cranks. I got stock Diamondback sprocket. I got half link chain. I got salt back rim and hub. And I got salt tire and McNeil fat seat and McNeil seat post. And I don't know, clamp. Alright? Thanks for watching my video. We'll come back to you next time. Alright, thanks for watching.